Which of the following is a possible solution for f of x given that f of x equals tangent of x dx? Okay? So we're used to finding the derivative of tangent of x, which is secant squared of x. But we're not so used to doing it for the integral of tangent of x. So we have f of x equals tangent of x dx integral, which equals sine of x over cosine of x dx. And the reason I write it like this is it becomes more obvious that, okay, we're going to use u substitution here. And then the question becomes, because sine is a derivative of cosine and cosine is a derivative of sine. There's a negative involved, but we're not too concerned. Well, we are concerned, but not about the possibility. It would work either way. So the question is, which one do we want to say is u, and which one do we want to be the derivative? You could do guess and check, because there's only two choices, and if one doesn't work, you do the other. But I'm going to start by saying that u equals cosine of x. And the reason is because I want the derivative to be in the numerator on top. So u equals cosine of x, du equals negative sine of x dx. Move the negative over to the other side. Negative du equals sine of x dx. And so now it's like we can obviously see. I hate it when people use obvious because a lot of times things in life aren't obvious. And when someone tries to say that something's obvious, it's like a lot of times it isn't. It's like they're probably saying it's obvious just because they don't want to have to explain themselves. So for me, I can see that sine of x dx are on the top. And it's a pretty straightforward substitution. And so I could say that this is integral of 1 over u du negative. Okay? Equals negative. And then this will be it's just a one that we have memorized. So the integral of 1 over u is, or 1 over x, would be the natural log of u, or the natural log of x. And then we have the absolute value brackets here as well. In this negative, remembering your log rules, this will then be the same as natural log of 1 over u. So, but I'm not at that stage yet. So then we'll undo the substitution. We get negative natural log of cosine of x, which we might be able to say is, let's see if that's a possible answer. So we got, okay. So what we do then is we have natural log of 1 over cosine of x. And we know that 1 over cosine is secant. Because, well, I guess I don't really have a reason why. But secant is 1 over cosine. Cosecant is 1 over sine. And cotangent is 1 over tangent, which is cosine over sine. Just trigonometric definitions. So this is natural log of secant, absolute value of x, absolute value. So our answer is this one right here. And the only one that has natural log, so that kind of helps too. So that's how you find the integral of tangent of x. Not quite as straightforward as you would think it would be, but still very possible. And yeah, you can do it. Not too bad. Go team.